That's nice. I like that.
Oh, thank you, Mommy. Mama, I have surprise for you.
Surprise! At kay tsura, wala ka to double chin, oh. Ala, double chin, ala. Ayan, para magkasya. Okay? And E. Opo. S. Very good. Nakamas pa pala si Mama.
Why?
She will greet you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Are you kiss Mama?
Thank you.
Okay, today we are going to surprise Mama. So, ayan po, nagpe-paint si Luna for Mama. Yeah.
This is my rainbow curtain.
Yes. What's that? Sus, seryoso ah. Dito dyan. Of course, Mommy din. Si Mommy gagawa din. Vlog natin.
I want to go color these hearts and some water.
Oh, that's nice.
Some water dito and then
Opo. That's nice naman, anak. Very
dito
good.
yung colors.
Diba, colors? Okay. That's nice. I like that.
Oh, thank you, Mommy. this.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Ano, very good. Magawa kami ng thing to surprise Mama. But aside from that, may isa pa tayong surprise for Mama. Oh, okay. What's that? Ang galing! Ang galing! Kanina yan? Para kanina, baby? Para kanina yan?
Mama.
So, as you can see, ayan po, bagong gupit si Luna. Shorter hair na. Kasi super hot, di ba? Ayan. So, 1 month namin siya na-convince.
Mama, I have surprise for you.
Surprise!
Pero dumikit naman siya.
Surprise! Tutok! I see? Wow! Show it. Show it to them. Wow! We're not yet done. Uy! Nagtatasikan sa tsura mo. Why? At kay tsura mo, double chin, oh. Ala, double chin, ala. Ala. You know what's double chin? You make like that. You make like that. Ayan ang double chin. Ayan ang double chin ni Luna.
What's that do me?
It's okay.
Get out.
Get out. Nahulog eh. What do you love to do, Luna? What do you love to do? You love?
Painting.
Yes, Luna loves painting and ano pa? Basta sa arts niyo, she loves drawing, she loves painting,
Do you love
she loves coloring. Yun na? Opo, bilis yan. This is a figurine painting. So, in-order ko siya sa Shopee para to sa mga kids na syempre, di ba, na buboard na sila sa bahay, hindi sila makagala, hindi sila makalabas ng bahay, hindi sila makapunta sa mall. So, maganda na ipa-try nyo to sa kids nyo. Itong figurine painting and they will love it. So, if you're interested, I will drop it on the description box below, yung link kung saan ko siya in-order. Okay?
Oh, yellow.
Nagalit. Kuko, magigita ni Mama. Okay, Luna. Bakit? Kulit ko. Okay, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go. Okay, go, go, go. It's okay na. Okay na. Manyan din. Ay. Oh, walang kurap-kurap. Ay, dahan-dahan. Anak, be careful, anak. Uy, matapon. Matapon, baby, matapon. Matapon. I am done with the second line. I'm done. to the second line. So, wait natin yung rainbow ni Luna. Okay na, okay na. Okay na, nagkukok na si Mama. Okay na, okay na. Continue na your painting. Nagkukok na si Mama. Okay na. Ay, your nose! Your nose getting big.
Tapos na tayo.
Wait lang, ano ito?
We have to want this very quiet, okay?
Ayan, so that's Luna's painting. Ayan. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. And we're gonna put it in a box. Yan, so this is Luna's painting. Naputol. Yan, it's a rainbow painting. And this is mine. Sabi niya ako daw gumawa nito. So it's Happy Mother's Day. Yan. So we will put it in a box. Ikaw nga, baby. Lagay mo. Put it in the box. Para special. Ito muna unahin mo. Okay. There. And this one. Be careful with this one. Kasi, fortunately, nabasag. Kasi nahulugan siya ng... Wait, later lang. No, I put tape already. Ayan, on the back. If I put tape here in the front, hindi makikita yung gawa mo. Ha? That's okay. So, I put tape. Naubos ako kamay na tape. I have microport tape. Okay, yan. And then, put it here inside the box. Okay, good. No. Put it down. Ayan, para magkasya. Okay? Yeah. So, meron kami ditong lumang yarn. Yan. So, wala kasi kaming ribbon dito. Extra ribbon. So, ito, pwede itong gamitin pang ribbon. Dun sa box. Luna, come here. Baby! Wala akong makitang ribbon eh. Ito na lang, ha? This is an old yarn, okay? Ito na lang gagamitin natin ribbon. Be careful, ha? Yan. Oh. Sige pa. Careful. Ay, there you go. Oo, nalaman ako masugatan ka. Ayan, so natakot ako bigla. Yun na. Hold mo like this, baby. Hold mo muna yung box, please. Hold it like that. Kasi kung babalik pa rin natin, baka masira yung gawa natin. A simple box, simple present.
What is that?
Gawa ni Luna.
Kaya kasi.
Hayaan mo si Mama. Hayaan mo si Mama.
Yes. Amen. Okay.
Be careful. Luna.
Wow.
Luna, hayaan mo si Mama.
Open it. Open it.
Oh, ganda naman.
Sila na yung...
Siro na yung isa. Nabasag. Parang lumang ano na. Siya nag-paint niya. Ito ako. So, sabi niya, ako daw mag-paint eh.
Wow, happy Mother's Day. Thank you, baby. Gusto mo na sinabak.
Liwanag.
Love you. Galing-galing nyo. Thank you.
I want surprise you.
I want surprise. Una is making a letter for Mama. Okay, what is the next letter? Dito na sa baba, baby. Sa baba. Letter B. B. Letter B. Very good. Next, E.
E.
Opo. S. Very good. T. T. H.
H.
Ay, no. M na pala, M. You make a space and then M. Opo. Mama. Very good. A. M.
M. M again.
Opo. Mama eh. A.
A again.
Exclamation point. Like this one you made a while ago. Okay. And a heart. Kasya pa? Very good. Oops, nabutas. It's okay. We'll continue. Very good. And then, under here, make Luna.
P. F.
Yeah. R. R. Opo. O.
O.
M.
M.
L.
L.
Opo. U. Letter N.
N again.
N. Very good. No, that's M. N. Okay. A.
A.
And a heart. Another heart. Very good! Mom is proud of you. Ang galing. And so she make a letter for Mama. So I'll show it to you. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. You are the best, Mama. From Luna. Actually, siya talaga. Gusto niya talaga mag-write ng letter for Mama. So, tinulungan ko lang siya. Ang galing. Very good. Siya yung ano eh. Nagsusulat kasi siya. Eh, hindi naman maintindihan. Basta may letters, pero yung walang word. So, tinuruan ko siya, tinulungan ko. Siya yan lahat. Oo. Siya yan lahat. Although, minsan nakakalimutan niya yung letters, pero okay lang, tinuturo ko naman. Siya yan lahat. Sabi ko nga, matutuwa ka eh, kasi nag-effort siya eh.
Love you.
Say, what will you say to Mama? What will you say to Mama? Ay, naiyak si Mama. Naiyak si Mama. you say? What will you say to all the mothers out there? What will you say?
Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day, Mommy!
Love you.
Love you! Mwah! I much.
Good night.
Good night. Bye bye. I love you. Love you so much.